everyone. This is Kriti from Lextalk World, and I'm delighted to be joined by Mr. Vinay Disley, Senior Strategic Advisor at Netrika, our valued ecosystem partner. Welcome to Lextalk World, sir. So, Netrika has been at forefront of risk management, investigations, and intelligence solutions. So, what are some of the key risk organizations should be preparing for in today's business environment? If you could tell our viewers about it.
Today's environment, two things come to my mind. One is in terms of your supplier risk, right? It could come from either in terms of what your suppliers are doing, what your suppliers are not doing. So supplier risk is one predominant thing, and we see it a lot when we offer due diligence and investigation services. That is one. Cyber and data privacy go hand in hand, right? So we have the Data Privacy Act that has come in, which talks about how to keep it private, but it is also important. If you don't keep it secure, it is no longer private. So data privacy and cyber security go hand in hand. So data security, therefore, becomes extremely critical, and that is on top of everybody's agenda today.
That's very relevant, sir, insight for today's organization. So, as a strategic advisor, how do you see the role of risk intelligence evolving in an increasingly digital and interconnected world?
There's a big shift that has happened in terms of intelligence, especially with the onset of AI and the way we are able to find out about risk. You just need to give a simple query into any of the AI system which have risk-specific LLMs out there, and you're able to get any intelligence which otherwise would have been a very difficult task, right? So intelligence is there, out there, readily available to people. All they have to know what questions to ask and what answers to get.
Absolutely. The importance of proactive risk management cannot be overstated. So lastly, before we conclude, what is the one message you would like to share with legal, compliance and business leaders attending the Lextalk World today?
Don't forget your fundamentals, right? Because you are there because you have some SME knowledge, you have some fundamental stuff with you. Don't lose that curiosity. You do your job well. AI and other tools just as an assistant to you. But you don't lose your own individual knowledge. That's the important message I want to give to everybody who's out there.
Thank you so much, Mr. Disley, for sharing your valuable insights with us. We truly appreciate Netrika's partnership and support. It has been a pleasure speaking with you at Lextalk World.
Thank you very much.